Hello and welcome to another update video about Aptos. So Aptos APT is hitting its next pivot point, in this possible 1-2 setup here. The idea was that we possibly completed here a wave 1 on the way up, in this 5-wave move, and then came down and completed possibly already here the wave 2, so that we had already completed the corrective pattern after the first impulse, and that we have a chance now to rally here to the upside. Okay, to do this in this particular wave structure, we need to hold obviously the low of the wave 2, and this was here at 1235. This is absolutely relevant, otherwise this 1-2 setup will be invalidated. And I already highlighted in the last video that this looks a little bit like a 3-wave structure to the upside. It's not a very clear impulse, but it could obviously be working on, it could still be working on the upside. It could still be an impulse. Let me just do that like this, but depends on, do we now hold this key support? What is the support? So I already gave you the invalidation point for the 1-2 setup. What is important though is to understand typically if such a wave 2 comes down lower than the 78.6 retracement, then this is getting difficult, right? It's typically then not holding. So here is the 1329 level. So I would say as long as we're holding 1329, we have a decent chance of getting higher in this third wave. Target for the third wave would be, take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 2. Target would be $20 basically. That would be what we expect the minimum here for this third wave. It's the 1.618 extension. It is not a, let's call it a 5-star setup here, because the move up looks so 3-wave like. So I wouldn't rule out that this is breaking down and that we go down lower into our original support area, because this was originally the support area for the wave 2. As you know, we turned around just before reaching it, but maybe we will hit it. I'm always getting annoyed when a wave 2 doesn't really reach here the 50% retracement. I mean, you can see that when it broke below the 38.2 fib level here at 1379, you would normally assume it will come down to the 50% fib, and it didn't. But maybe it will do it eventually. Depends on which level we are holding now. I did highlight them all to you now, and you know what to look out for. But the thing is, if we break these support levels, and then also here the 12, let's call it 1240 level here, the low from the 13th of February, then this was most likely just an A wave in the orange count. This here was a B wave, and we are coming down in a C wave, possibly here to the 973 level or 685 level. And from here it then has another chance to turn around in the third wave. These are the key relevant levels. Of course, if it now turns around, as I said, it's sort of in support now, If it's turning around from here and then is breaking above the 1669 level, then we are en route to reaching that $20 level. So overall, in an uptrend, it's just a question, how do we react now to these pivots here? At the moment, it's coming down quite impulsively, but this, if this is an ABC in this wave 2, that's not a problem. It all depends on, do we hold this support or not? And I guess in the next few hours, maybe today, tomorrow, we're going to have an answer, and then the third wave is going to play out if the support holds. Okay, that's my update about Aptos. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.